this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the professional mukbang show. And today I'm doing this. This is Buldak Jjamppong from South Korea. This variety is not available in the United States yet. I don't know if it ever will be, but I hope it is. It's a seafood stew kind of action to it. Here's what I made. It's got some carved squid, mung bean sprouts, noodle and kamaboko, a little bit of sesame seeds, some shrimp, and I think that's it. So I've got my trusty mega enormous clock here. Not that it's really necessary, but here we go. The noodle in this is just great. Really nice broad noodle. Oh, I forgot to mention there's cabbage too. The heat level on this, I tried this prior to adding anything to it. I've got the heat, but it's not killing me. Some might say, "Oh, you diluted it with all this stuff." Like, no, really. I'll drink all the broth at the end. Despite this one not being available in the States, there are some new varieties of Buldak that are now available here. There's Buldak Quattro, which is a 4 cheese. There's Buldak Lime Habanero, which is lime habanero. And then there's Creamy Carbo. I haven't tried that one yet. Tried the other two. They're really good. So the heat does build here and there. It's pretty warm. The idea of slurping down all this broth is kind of daunting, mainly because of that fact. But yeah, it's gonna fall on top of some oatmeal and peanut butter I had much earlier, and the bites of instant noodles I've had earlier that were other reviews. But oh boy, here we go. The broth is still pretty hot temperature wise too, so that's why I'm going slow on this. Ooh. Now we got some noodles left, so I better hit that up. Done. So, what's the deal with this one? What do I think about it? It's pretty good. It's got, honestly, that kind of regular Buldak flavor to it, that sweetness. I would have liked to have more of a smokiness to it, more that, like a grilled seafood kind of flavor that I've experienced in other jjamppong, but it's honestly not bad, and it just wants to have some, what do you call it, some seafood in it. It really needs seafood in it anyways. But yeah, it's hot enough. I mean, yeah, my mouth is burning pretty good right now. There's gonna be some more that I'll be doing pretty soon. My nose is starting to run too. That's not bad. That's a good gauge of heat. The next one I'm gonna do, I don't know, I've got a few in the box. Let's look here. I'll drag this out a little bit longer to see how long the decay rate of Buldak is. There's a rose variety. It's not rosé, it's just rose. And rose is when you mix like a creamy carbo and a regular Buldak. So it's like half spicy, but it's creamy too. So, and then this is the Korean version of cream carbo. And wow, am I almost to the end of all the Buldak? I guess I am. I thought he sent more. Well, 2 more. That's quite a lot more than I had. This is one I'll be doing soon. This is Tumse. I think it's just different packaging. I don't know if this is the 94. Oh, it says, "Aren't you scared?" It doesn't mention the SHU on it. Not that it matters. That's the point I bring up. Oh. Speaking of spicy, at 9 a.m., I've been like busy since I got my kids on the bus. The 2023 top 10 spiciest instant noodles of all time. Well, not really all time. They're the ones you can still get that are on the market. But yeah, that came out this morning at 9, and it's November 22nd, 2022. So if you're seeing this in February of 2023, go on to www.theramenraider.com, go to the top 10 list, go down to spiciest, and look at the 2023 list. And you'll get burnt. Anyways, yeah, this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Thank you for watching. Have a good one, and bye-bye.